Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. One of the customer has called me. His fridge is water leaking. So let's see what is the problem. See, I can feel here a little bit ice. So I have to remove. Then we will be back. So dear viewers, the refrigerator we have removed outside. See, it's water leaking the mark. I have removed the cover also. Its main reason is water leaking in the fridge. See, there is ice. There is ice. So that's why water cannot drain the pipe. See, I put the hot water. If I put the water there, it should drain here. See, this is the drain pipe. Water should be drain here, but water is not draining here. See, this area there is one pipe, a small pipe from inside. Inside the pipe has been blocked. That's why all water is dropping in the fridge. This is watermark, all the water and dropping inside the fridge. So now our job is we have to clear the pipe. This ice we have to clean, and then we have to clear the hose pipe. So we put, at first we have tried by hot water, then also same, it's taking long time. Then we found the hose pipe, so it will be more easy to clear the ice. See, it's still not dropping. We have to put water until clear the hose pipe. We have to see behind the pipe. So after 30 minutes, like that we put water around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes also we have checked, still not dropping water. See, still no water. Then I've taken again hot water. See, still no water. Then I decide to flush by gas. If you flush, if there is stuck in the dust, so it will be clear. So I decide to flush by gas. See, there is like this, same exactly like this. There is pipe inside the pipe. The inside the pipe, in somewhere is blocked by dust, and top side it has been ice, because the top side is the frozen side. That's why it become ice. So we try again, put water. So finally, around after 1 hour, we finally solve the problem. It has been clear. See, water is, so alhamdulillah, dear viewers, it was the problem only blocked. That's why water dropping. So you have to clear the pipe only. Thank you.